Yeah, it's quite busy here today, so I'm not getting the best shots I can get. People keep walking in front of me, but it's only to be expected, isn't it? A few bikes, and a fish and chip shop van. Let's pan across here, see what we got. Fiat X19, which I quite like. So there we are. Fowey Classic car show. Right, 2 allegros. Just come out the front. But that one's got 1500 in it. And he spent quite a bit of money on it as well. There's Eliza, getting some people looking at her. So we got a same sort of year, 80-81 Spitfire. We got a Rover 2000, and it's TC version. A little, don't know, there's a little Jeep of some sort. Can't see from there, but to go around the front in a minute. Then we got a Triumph Vitesse, a later one, 71, and an Ambassador, which took over from the Princess range. Jag, is it 2.4? Or is it bigger? Mark II 3.8. Very nice. Another little MG Sports TD or something. That's 3 Series coming in. Wish I hadn't sold my one now, my 323i. Still don't know what this is yet. Ah, it's an Essex touring sedan. Quite interesting. And gets past these chairs. Very nice Mark 1 GT Cortina, which is got to be quite a rare beast now. Couple of Zephyrs and an Escort. And a nice Zephyr 6. Very nice. Escort. And a Mark III Zephyr 6. Nice little roller. Vintage. Mark II Jag 3.4. That's nice. And the usual VW camper bus. Interesting. Is that a Crown? Nissan Crown or Toyota Crown? Not sure. A couple of minis. Jeep. Yeah, there you go. Nissan Crown Estates. How many of those do you see? I was right. It's a Crown.
It's perfect size.
Yeah.
That must be a rare beast. So about 1973, 74 I suppose. Spitfire. And there's the X19, which I like. Lotus 7's over there. This is the police's secret refuge, I think. Lotus. A lot of interest.